no Dube, your currency trader and currency coach at FX Link. Thank you for joining me once again on our Forex weekend market preview. And as you can see, this week I don't really have much on my radar screen. I'm more of a counter trend trader, but because this week I don't really have my complete setup for a counter trend opportunity. So this week we were going through a trend continuation opportunity. This just to show you that in the market you need to be able to be versatile. Whenever a trend continuation opportunity occurs, although you are preferably a counter trend trader, you need to be versatile in the market. You need to be able to adapt to different market situations. Now, with that being said, we're going to have an analysis on our Euro USD. To start things off, you can see that from this level, okay, you can see the price action had a bit of a wedge pattern. From there, price action managed to break lower, giving us a demand level, and we're back at this level of structure. We expect where this wedge, where price action had a bit of an indecision, we expect this past indecision to be a future resistance. And as you can see, let's try to zoom in. Price action is already reacting at this level. Now, originally we should have been able to sell at this level of structure. Now, that's what we call a trend continuation opportunity. You continue with the trend. We're supposed to have sold at this level, but because we missed the original opportunity, you want to hop in the underlying trend and continue with it. Now, switching to the 4 hours. As you can see, price action it formed a double top at this level. Try to zoom in to make it clear. If you look closely, the wick of this candle managed to touch the close of this upper candle, giving us a valid double top. Like I said, this should have been our entry sign. Now, because we've missed it, we're going to have what we call a 2618 trade. This is a trade that was familiarized by Trade Empowered and backtested it and proved to be profitable. So this is what we'll be using to continue with this trend, to hop in this underlying trend. So for that, we'll have to take our retracement tool. We'll grab our retracement tool from this level of structure down here, and we'll be looking for where we find our 1618. And let me grab my tool. We have a 618 back at this level of structure. This way I have a 618. So in this case, we'd expect price action to give us a push back up to the 618, and this is where we'll be looking for a selling opportunity. Now, it doesn't have to be exactly where our 168 will touch. In fact, what I will do, we'll have to draw out a zone, saying that if price action comes anywhere near this level, near this break line of the structure to our 618, this is a level, this will be our kill level. So as soon as price action gets anywhere close to this level of structure, even if it doesn't precisely touch our 618, but comes to this neckline, we'll consider buying. Selling, pardon, so we'll consider selling. And of course, we'll have to wait for extra confirmation, things such as an oversold and overbought state. Now, to wrap up things, we just have to have a clearer view on the hourly. So say that everything goes as planned, price action pushes up somewhere to our kill zone, and we have a valid trade. Assuming we get everything set up somewhere in the middle of our trade. Now, I'd prefer my stop loss to be above this high, because price action might decide to give us a bit of a push above the wick of this candle just to collect the stops that are here. To be safe, I'd prefer putting a few pips above this high, and already we will be risking 56 pips, a few pips up, around about 60 pips. And for the first take profit, we'll have to take our trade back at this level of structure, meaning This will be a 1:1.7 trade. For risking 60 pips, we'll be going for a total take profit of 67 pips. So this is what I had in store for you. This is my analysis for the week, for the coming week. And yeah, as I said, this is not my usual kind of trades, but being versatile in the market is key. Adapting to different certain situations. And yeah, so if you have any questions, any comments, additions or subtractions to your views on the Euro USD, please don't hesitate and leave a comment below, and we'll make sure to get back to you. So with all that being said, hope everyone has a profitable trading week. For me, Fencer Dube. See you on the flip side. Peace.